This is an iRobot Roomba E5, and on this video we're going to fix the software issue where your iRobot just don't start to vacuum. You click on the clean, you hear the sound, and nothing is happening. The fixing method is not only on iRobot Roomba E5. If you have a different model, it will still work for you. So if you are new to this channel, I Can Fix It is a YouTube channel that uploads do-it-yourself videos that helps you in any tech issue you have, and will support you in every time you want. So make sure to click on the subscribe button to don't miss any video. The tools we will need on this video is a Phillips screwdriver and a flat screwdriver. Make sure to clean your iRobot first, it will just be more comfortable to you. The first step we will need to do is to pull out the side brush. So it's time to take the flat screwdriver and unscrew the side brush. Hold your brush with your hand to support the screwdriver. When you are done opening the screw, just pull out the side brush. This is the next step. I'm showing you 5 screws that we need to unscrew to open the whole plastic cover. So take your Phillips screwdriver and start to unscrew them. You don't have to pull out every screw, they will all come out with the plastic cover. If you like this video and want to see more content like this one, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. We are done with the screws. Now just pull out the whole plastic cover. You should pull it off easily. If not, take the Phillips screwdriver again and finish the job. This is the iRobot battery. To take the iRobot battery off, we will need to pull out the little black holder. The second we will pull out the battery, the iRobot software will reset. When the battery is out, wait 4 seconds and then put it back in. This will reset our iRobot software and will fix the non-vacuuming issue. When you insert in the battery, make sure to pull up the little black holder again. Push the battery down until you hear a click, then your iRobot will make a turning on sound. Now take the whole iRobot plastic cover and put it back in. Push the cover a little bit, but don't use a lot of strength. Make sure you have all the screws and they all fit well. Take the Phillips screwdriver again and just start to screw all the screws. When you're done, take the flat screwdriver and take the side brush and fit it in the spot. Spin the side brush a little bit to make sure it sits well. And that's it, we have fixed the issue. Now when I'm pressing clean, the iRobot would start to vacuum and my life got easier. Thank you very much for this video. If you enjoyed and want to see more guides like this one, please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next episode.